I've received a contribution from a fan. During work, my mobile phone fell many times. And my Honor 20 Lite has been replaced with 4 screens, 1 charging port, 1 middle frame, and 1 back housing. What job can make mobile phones fall so many times? In this video, let's take a look at the screen market of Honor 20 Lite. With this screen that has been replaced for 4 times. In 2019, Huawei and Honor had not separated yet. The order of Honor 20 Lite original screen was placed to Samsung by Huawei at that time, which was a hard OLED of 6.3-inch COG scheme with small water drop screen. What is the current screen situation of this model in the market? First, look at the original screen. Honor 20 Lite as a 2019 model. So far, it has been released nearly 3 years. According to the strictness of Huawei's supply chain, there is almost no brand new original screen in the market. Currently, the market are basically selling original refurbished screens. The price of normal grade A screen is more than $30. The screens with some minor defects is about more than $50. As an old model 3 years ago, the price of the original refurbished screen is still relatively firm. However, the market holdings of this model is relatively low compared to other popular models. Therefore, the stock of original refurbished screens on the market is not particularly large. Let's look at the OLED screen. There is no OLED screen of this model currently. Why? Because of its awkward screen size. The smallest OLED public mold glass 6-inch panel on the market is Tianma's 6.33-inch glass, while the Honor 20 Lite is a 6.3-inch screen. Using 6.33-inch, the smallest public mold glass, to make the Honor 20 Lite's 6.3-inch screen is obviously too large. It is obviously that it cannot be adapted if the screen size is larger than the middle frame. Therefore, there is currently no ready-made suitable OLED public mold glass to make this OLED screen. Seeing this, some friends may ask, why not make a OLED glass that suitable for this model specially? The shipment of this model is not large enough for the tycoons to pay for hundreds of millions of mold fees to custom one glass mold specially. After all, the original refurbished screen is only more than $, and it is basically profitless to specialize in producing OLED screen. Finally, let's look at the in-cell screen. There are currently 2 in-cell screens on the market that made by Sharp and Innolux's glass, both of which are 6.3-inch Full HD/COG scheme screens. In terms of glass size, they are similar to the original ones. They are also called the original window in-cell screen. But the water drop is slightly larger than the original, and the price is much cheaper than the original screens, is around $. Generally speaking, although the screen shipment of this model is not as large as that of 8X/9P, it is also unlike some unpopular models that no one is interested at all. This model has a certain shipment volume, but its screen market situation, due to it is more and more difficulty to obtain market information. It is often ignored by everyone easily. Therefore, Chinotech's screen market information sharing is not only for popular models, but also for unpopular models that involved in business communication, but hard to obtain more information. Follow Chinotech. Help you solve the blind area of industry knowledge.